If you want to cancel your Hopper free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you do it correctly and avoid any unwanted charges. Step 1. Open the Hopper app. Launch the Hopper app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your free trial. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option in the app. Step 3. Find subscription information. Look for the section labeled Subscription or Manage Subscription. Here, you will find details about your current plan and trial status. Step 4. Select Cancel Trial. Choose the option to cancel your free trial. Follow the prompts provided by the app to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancelling, check for a confirmation message or email. This will ensure that your free trial has been successfully cancelled and that you will not be charged. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Hopper free trial before it converts into a paid subscription.